Alright, I'm gonna do this video for my cat. It's a Himalayan Persian. Nicest little cat you would have ever met in the world. This cat totally deserves its own spot. And the cat gave me because it's so cool. You know, just it's in chill mode most of the day. This cat, I swear to God, is like fucking 18 years old. Yeah. That's what happens when you feed a cat primo food and you don't let it run fucking outside, you know. You want to keep a fucking cat. Take care of a cat, right? Huh? Kitty? You come with me. Oh shit. I got a couple more stars. I'm gonna do it in a couple more videos, but here we go. We're gonna need to wrap this up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stay the fuck up out of that stuff. Whoa, whoa, kitty. That's not no catnip. Oh. Yeah, yeah, see ya. See ya. See you tomorrow. For Local Friday. It's been fun.